why it is important to look at reaction mechanisms. And of course, measurement of the concentration is going to give us a clue on how these reaction mechanisms take place. Now, why is it important for us to study chemical kinetics? So we shall look just at the significancy. Of course, we mentioned this one in a nutshell in our introduction, but of course we shall now define it maybe using a few terms. In this case, chemical kinetics is going to assist us to understand how chemical reactions occur. Reactions. So the study of chemical kinetics is going to to assist us in having a comprehensive way of looking at how chemical reactions occur. And as I've said about the catalyst, it's going to assist us understand the nature of biological processes. This is especially in biochemistry. So, and then maybe we shall look at that last one. And as well, it's going to provide for us evidence of reaction mechanisms. Since now measuring the rate of chemical reaction is of course that's a quantitative process which is going to assist us come up with the evidence of trying to describe the reaction mechanism which are involved in different chemical reactions. So in this case, we shall look at some aspects of what we shall cover during our study of the chemical kinetics. Of course, we have talked about the reaction rates. We shall look at the reaction rates, and then we shall look at the rate laws, some laws which are governing the rate of course, how these chemical kinetics processes are taking place. And then we shall have what we call integrated rate laws, which means there are laws which are having a relationship between themselves. And then we shall have a look at half-life. Of course, this term appears in one of the topics in some aspect of the topics in radiochemistry. So half-life, or radiophysics, or radiology, or which is the study of radioactivity. So for that case, we shall look at half-life and the Arrhenius equations. And lastly, we shall look at, of course, we have mentioned about the mechanisms, reaction mechanisms. So these are some of the aspects which we are going to look at under chemical kinetics as we go by. So for that case, as we have mentioned that one, and we have given it a definition.